Oh, made me love a dirt road. Oh, made me crave some ice cold homemade sweet tea only mama knows how to make. Homemade, homemade me love a small town. Homemade me wanna settle down in a homemade for the two of us. Everything I love is homemade. Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to play Jake Owen's Homemade. Alright, so this is a great song. It's a little bit different tuning than I typically do though, so be ready for that. Alright, so thanks everyone for just for being here to watch the video. I hope it's very useful for you, alright? Please subscribe if you find it useful. Alright, thanks a bunch. So, there's no capo on it, but it's not in standard tuning, it's a half step down. So, a couple things on that. You can just tune every string one half step down. That kind of sucks to do, so if you want you can actually just leave your guitar. If you only have one guitar, you can leave it a half step down and then you just put a capo on the first fret, and that will then make up the normal songs that you play standard tuning. So you can do that. I have a few guitars, so I just have one that's in a half step down and one that's in standard. Also, the other thing you can do is if you play it in standard tuning, that's fine. You'll just have to sing it a little bit higher, all right? Because this is a half step lower, so you'll just sing it a little bit different. Most people won't really be able to tell. But so anyway, that's just a tip for you. This song is in a half step down. Okay. Now the chords you're going to use for this song, you're going to use G, and I think it's easiest if you use this G. So you're going to use G and D. That's why it's easy, because you just do switch like that. Okay. So D, E minor, and C add 9, okay? So C add 9 is very easy. You just put your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pointer finger, sorry, goes on the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then you're going to put your ring finger down here, as you can see, on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? It'll just sound like that, okay? So those are the chords that you'll use throughout the whole song, and they're going to be in that order for the entire song except for the bridge, okay? And then you're only going to use 2 chords. So the strumming pattern for this song is super easy. So you're going to play through each of those chords once in the intro. You're going to go down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? So that's pretty simple. You can see just that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So you just do G, D, E minor, C add 9 throughout almost the whole song, okay? Verses, intro, chorus, everything except for the bridge. Now I'm going to show you, so once you get, that's how you play the intro and the chorus, that's the strumming pattern for that. But once you get to the verse, you're going to want to play it softer, and you're just going to do down, 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 down. So, sorry, you can see that one. Down, 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 down. Okay, so you can just do it like that. Where I grew up, getting dressed up means button-down shirt and a good pair of jeans. Wasn't Sunday supper without collard greens. Dad was boss, Christ is king. Friday nights living what for them lights to come on. Then I turned to Miller Lights when I turned 21. There's just some things about me that I can't change. I'll always be homemade. Okay, you're gonna do mute. Okay, so it's just that down, 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 just the whole time. Okay, so when you're doing that, so I'm just gonna walk you through the first verse just a little bit, just so you can see. So you start with G. Where I grew up, so you start with G. Where I grew up, getting dressed up means button is D. Button-down shirt and a good pair of jeans. Wasn't Sunday, so on Sundays when you do E minor, it wasn't Sunday supper without collard greens. Dad is C add 9. Dad was boss, Christ is king. Okay, so that's how you play it through the verses. Okay, then the chorus, after you end it, so you do always that made me homemade. You mute, you go to G again, you go down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? Okay, so that's where you're playing that strumming pattern. Now for the chorus, you're doing homemade me love a dirt road, homemade. So homemade is where you start doing D. Homemade me love some ice cold homemade. Okay, then you go, after you say homemade, you do E minor. Sweet tea only mama knows how to make. So after make, you do C at 9. Homemade, homemade me. Then you do G again right after homemade. Homemade me love a small town, homemade. And then on made is where you start doing D. Kind of like between home and homemade. Homemade me love a small town. Let's see. Homemade me love a small town, homemade. That's where you do, sorry I got the wrong line there. Homemade me want to settle down in a homemade for the two of us. So it's for the two of us where you start doing E minor. For the two of us, everything I love. So love is where you start doing C at 9. Love is homemade. Okay, so you can do that. Now, then what you'll do is you'll just play G. You just go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. You kind of play through it twice for G. And then you're going to go into the second verse, okay? So and that's the same thing, G, D, E minor, C at 9, okay? Now for the bridge, it's going to be different. It's just going to be E minor and C at 9. Then E minor and C at 9, okay? So it's going to be, hey, we got what we got you can't get from a store. Hey, good stuff comes from the good Lord. Homemade. Okay, so it's just start out with hey on both the E minors. What we got you can't get from a store. Hey, so E minor. The good stuff comes. From the good Lord. Homemade. So I don't know if you have to do it, but I would mute it when you do that last homemade, and then go homemade me love a dirt road. Okay, so then you start playing that again. So a super easy song, really easy. Yeah, I don't know. I do love this song, and I hadn't done a Jake Owen song yet, so I hope you guys really like it. Let me know if you have any questions on the strumming patterns or chords or anything, or on the tuning and stuff like that. And also let me know, would you like me to do a video on how to, like, on tips for beginners, right? Just the one that's just, hey, here's some tips for beginners, or do you just want me to keep teaching you songs? All right, thanks a lot, guys. It's been a lot of fun. I really appreciate all your support, and those of you who have subscribed and everything, it makes my day. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.